What is the primary purpose of data labeling in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, to mark data into correct categories so that the model can learn from it. The primary purpose of data labeling is to mark unstructured data in a meaningful and organized manner. It is essential for training supervised machine learning models, where each input data is paired with a correct output label. For example, labeling objects in images or classifying text based on sentiments. Accurate labeling determines the model's performance and reliability. What is the primary objective of transfer learning in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, applying knowledge gained from one task to another related task. The primary objective of transfer learning is to transfer the knowledge of a model trained for one task, source domain, to another related task, target domain. This technique helps to quickly improve the model's performance on new tasks with limited data or computational resources. For example, a model trained for image classification can be adapted for medical image analysis. In artificial intelligence, AI, the clustering technique falls under which type of machine learning category? Correct option is option D, unsupervised learning. Clustering is a primary technique of unsupervised learning, where data is grouped based on similar features without prior labeling. It is used to discover hidden patterns or structures in data, such as categorizing customers based on their purchasing habits. Supervised learning requires labeled data, while reinforcement learning involves an agent learning through interaction with the environment. What is the primary purpose of agent-based modeling in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, studying the interaction of autonomous agents to simulate the behavior of complex systems. Agent-based modeling, ABM, is a computational technique used to simulate the behavior and outcomes of complex systems. It involves defining autonomous, decision-making agents that interact with each other and their environment. This model helps in understanding complex phenomena such as collective behavior, social dynamics, economic markets, or ecosystems. The primary advantage of ABM is that it enables analysis of overall patterns emerging from individual-level decisions and interactions. What is the primary objective of reinforcement learning in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, teaching an agent to maximize rewards by interacting with the environment. In reinforcement learning, an AI agent interacts with the environment and receives rewards or penalties based on the outcomes of its actions. The main goal is for the agent to learn a policy of actions that maximizes long-term rewards. This process is based on trial and error and resembles human learning, where learning occurs through experience. The structure of neural network in artificial intelligence, AI, is inspired by the brain of which? Correct option is option C, human brain. The structure of neural networks is inspired by the nervous system of the human brain. It consists of layers of neurons that process data, just like the human brain processes information. This design enables machines to recognize patterns, make decisions, and solve problems. Which technology is most commonly used for traffic light recognition in autonomous vehicles in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, computer vision. Computer vision technology is the most effective for traffic light recognition in autonomous vehicles. This technology analyzes images and videos captured by cameras to identify various objects such as traffic lights, signals, and colors. Computer vision algorithms help the vehicle take correct decisions by using image processing and pattern recognition, enabling safe and efficient traffic management. What is the most important safety measure for automated robotic surgery systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, real-time human monitoring and intervention. In automated robotic surgery, patient safety is the highest priority. It is essential to have real-time monitoring by a human surgeon and immediate intervention when necessary. This ensures that in case of unexpected complications or technical failures, control can be maintained by human expertise, reducing risks and enabling the surgery to be safely completed. Which type of AI technique is most useful for real-time decision-making in self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is most suitable for real-time decision-making in self-driving cars because it allows the agent to learn based on reward by interacting with the environment. This technique enables the vehicle to adapt to various situations, such as complying with traffic rules, changing routes, and avoiding other vehicles. Its dynamic learning process makes it ideal for the unstable and uncertain real-world conditions. Which type of algorithm is most commonly used for weed detection in automated agricultural robots within artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, convolutional neural networks, CNN. Convolutional neural networks, CNN, are algorithms specially designed for image recognition and classification. They perform excellently in learning and identifying the visual differences between plants and weeds. CNN models can extract features from crop images to accurately detect weeds automatically, helping robots perform targeted weeding and reducing the use of chemicals. Which type of algorithm is most commonly used for automated medical image analysis in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, convolutional neural network, CNN. Convolutional neural network, CNN, is the most effective algorithm for automated medical image analysis. CNN specializes in recognizing spatial structures and patterns in images, which is essential for detecting abnormalities in medical images like X-rays, MRI, or CT scans. It helps automatically identify tumors, fractures, or other medical conditions, making diagnosis faster and more accurate. Which type of algorithm is most commonly used in automated video editing systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, convolutional neural networks, CNN. Convolutional neural networks, CNN, are most commonly used in automated video editing because they are particularly effective at detecting patterns and features in visual data such as video frames. CNN helps in scene detection, object tracking, and understanding visual changes, which are essential for tasks like automatic cutting, transitions, and adding effects. This algorithm aids in making intelligent editing decisions by comprehending the video content. In artificial intelligence, AI, which sensor technology is most effective for plant health monitoring in automated agricultural robots? Correct option is option D, multispectral sensor. Multispectral sensors are the most effective for monitoring plant health as they capture light at different wavelengths. These sensors can detect chlorophyll levels, water content, and early signs of diseases in plants that are invisible to the human eye. This technology helps farmers to intervene accurately and timely, thereby increasing crop productivity and ensuring efficient use of resources. Which type of AI technology is most commonly used for automated image colorization in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option D, convolutional neural networks. CNNs are predominantly used in automated image colorization because they are especially capable of recognizing spatial patterns in image data. CNN learns the relationships between pixels of black and white images to predict appropriate colors. This technique is trained on large data sets, where it performs accurate color filling based on context and objects. What type of data contributes most significantly to the development of speech recognition systems in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option B, audio recordings and their transcripts. Speech recognition systems mainly rely on audio recordings and their accurate transcripts. This data helps the model learn various voices, pronunciations, and linguistic patterns. The model is trained by using this data to establish relationships between audio signals and their textual equivalents, enabling it to accurately recognize and transcribe new audio inputs. In artificial intelligence, AI, which type of neural network is most commonly used for automated image classification? Correct option is option B, convolutional neural network, CNN. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, are specifically designed for image data. They use convolutional layers to recognize spatial structures and patterns in images, making them highly effective for tasks like object recognition, face recognition, and image classification. This capability makes CNN one of the most popular and widely used models in the field of computer vision. What is the primary purpose of object detection in self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, to accurately identify vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles on the road. The primary purpose of object detection is to use sensor data to accurately identify and locate objects around the vehicle such as cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and road obstacles. This is crucial for safe navigation, collision avoidance, and real-time decision-making, enabling autonomous vehicles to understand and respond appropriately to their environment. What is the primary objective of natural language understanding, NLU, in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, to understand the meaning and intent of human language. Natural language understanding, NLU, is a branch of artificial intelligence that aims to enable computer systems to comprehend the meaning, context, and purpose of human language. It goes beyond merely recognizing words to understanding sentence structure, emotions, intentions, and contradictions. NLU helps systems like chatbots, virtual assistants, and search engines respond more effectively to human queries. What is the primary objective of path planning for self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, to select and follow a safe and efficient route. The primary objective of path planning is to calculate a safe, efficient, and obstacle-free route for the vehicle. It makes real-time decisions using sensor data and maps, considering traffic rules, road conditions, and the activities of other vehicles. This helps in preventing accidents and improving fuel efficiency. Which technology is most commonly used for environmental mapping in self-driving cars within artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is Option C, simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM. Simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, is a technique that enables robots or self-driving vehicles to determine their position in an unknown environment while simultaneously creating a map of that environment. It uses various sensor data, such as LiDAR camera, to provide accurate real-time mapping, which is essential for the safe navigation of self-driving cars. What is the primary function of the control algorithm for self-driving cars in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is Option D, to decide the vehicle's speed and direction based on sensor data. The control algorithm acts as the brain of self-driving cars, processing data received from sensors like LiDAR, cameras, and radar to make real-time decisions. This algorithm controls tasks such as vehicle speed, braking, steering, and lane changes to ensure safe and efficient operation. Its capability is a central part of the vehicle's artificial intelligence. What is the contribution of the transformer architecture in the development of automated language translation systems in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is Option C. It improves translation quality by understanding long-distance word relationships. The transformer architecture has brought a revolutionary change in automated language translation. Its attention mechanism technique helps the machine understand relationships between all parts of a sentence, no matter how far apart the words are. By better understanding context, it provides more accurate and natural translations. Google's BERT and OpenAI's GPT models are based on this architecture. What is the primary function of computer vision technology in self-driving cars within artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is Option C, understanding road scenes and identifying objects. The primary function of computer vision technology is to analyze visual data obtained through cameras. It identifies and classifies roads, traffic signs, pedestrians, vehicles, and other obstacles. This provides self-driving cars with essential visual information to understand their environment and enables safe navigation by making real-time decisions. In artificial intelligence, AI, automated video summarization systems are primarily based on which technology? Correct option is Option B, computer vision and time series analysis. Automated video summarization systems use computer vision technology to understand the visual elements of a video and identify important frames or scenes through time series analysis. This combined approach enables automatic extraction of key points from video content to create concise summaries, making it easier to comprehend long videos in less time. Which type of AI model is most commonly used for automated content creation in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is Option C, generative pre-trained transformer models. Generative pre-trained transformer, such as the GPT series, models are the most effective for automated content creation. These models are trained on large amounts of text data and can generate human-like text, stories, articles, and even code. They possess the ability to understand context and produce logical, coherent content, making them far more advanced than traditional rule-based or simple statistical models. Which sensor technology is most important for automated agricultural robots in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, hyperspectral imaging sensor. Hyperspectral imaging sensors are capable of detailed analysis of plant health, moisture levels, and diseases. These sensors collect data across various wavelengths to identify subtle features of crops, helping agricultural robots make precise decisions. This reduces chemical usage and increases yield. What is the most important technological component in the development of automated financial advisors in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the most important for creating automated financial advisors. This technology analyzes historical data to forecast future market trends, investment risks, and returns. Without it, AI systems cannot provide accurate and personalized investment advice tailored to customers' financial needs and goals. It enables data-driven decision-making capabilities. Which type of machine learning is most commonly used in training automated video game bots in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is the most effective technique used in training automated video game bots. In this, the agent learns by interacting with the environment based on rewards, wins, scores, and penalties, losses. It allows the bot to discover and adapt to the rules of the game on its own, as seen in AI like AlphaGo and Atari game players. This method helps in developing player strategies and long-term planning. Which technology is most important for operating an automated robotic assembly line in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, robotic process automation, RPA. Robotic process automation, RPA, is the key technology for automated robotic assembly lines. RPA enables robots to perform repetitive tasks with accuracy and efficiency, such as assembling parts, quality inspection, and packaging products. It increases production speed and consistency while reducing human intervention. Other options like NLP or image captioning have limited use in this context. Which type of AI technology is most commonly used for automated music composition in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, generative adversarial network, GAN. Generative adversarial network, GAN, is primarily used for automated music composition. GAN consists of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new music, while the discriminator evaluates its quality and authenticity. This technology enables AI to learn patterns from existing music and produce original and creative melodies. Which of the following technologies is most important for automated video surveillance systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, computer vision and video analytics. Automated video surveillance systems primarily rely on computer vision technology, which enables the detection and analysis of objects, activities, or events from video footage. Video analytics includes advanced tasks such as motion detection, facial recognition, or crowd behavior analysis. NLP relates to language, RPA to business processes, and GAN to image generation, which do not directly align with the primary purpose of video surveillance. What is the most important technical component in the development of automated customer service chatbots in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, is the most important component in the development of chatbots because it enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate responses in human language. NLP processes text or voice input to identify intent, understand context, and provide appropriate replies. This technology allows chatbots to engage in human-like conversations, resolve queries, and improve the customer experience. What is the primary purpose of preprocessing in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, to clean and structure data to improve model accuracy. The main purpose of preprocessing is to clean raw data, remove inconsistencies, and prepare it into a suitable format for machine learning models. This process includes data normalization, handling missing values, and reducing noise. It helps improve the model's performance and accuracy, as clean and structured data enables the model to learn better. What is the primary purpose of automated data cleaning in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, to improve data quality by removing errors, inconsistencies, and duplicate records from the data. The main objective of automated data cleaning is to identify and correct or remove irregularities present in the dataset, such as incorrect formats, duplicate entries, incomplete information, and inconsistent values. This process prepares high-quality data for training machine learning models, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of the model. Poor quality data can lead to incorrect conclusions by the model. Therefore, data cleaning is a crucial step in the AI pipeline. In artificial intelligence, AI, automated image captioning systems are primarily based on a combination of which two AI technologies? Correct option is option A, computer vision and natural language processing, NLP. Automated image captioning systems use computer vision to recognize the content of an image and then apply natural language processing, NLP, to generate a human-readable description. This combination enables AI to understand visual data and describe it, such as detecting objects, actions, and context present in the scene and translating that into language. What is the primary function of LiDAR technology in self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, creating a three-dimensional map of the environment around the vehicle. LiDAR technology uses laser beams in self-driving cars to create an accurate three-dimensional map of the environment. It helps the vehicle detect surrounding objects, distances, and terrains, enabling safe navigation. This technology, combined with radar and cameras, enhances the vehicle's perception capabilities. What is the most important requirement for developing automated medical diagnosis systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, high-quality and reliable medical data. The most important requirement for automated medical diagnosis systems is high-quality and reliable medical data. These systems analyze patients' symptoms, medical history, lab reports, and imaging data to suggest diagnoses. Without accurate and diverse data, AI models may draw incorrect conclusions, which can jeopardize patient safety. The quality and quantity of data directly impact the accuracy and reliability of AI. What is the primary purpose of environmental mapping in self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is Option C, to create a 3D structure of the area surrounding the vehicle. The main purpose of environmental mapping in self-driving cars is to create an accurate three-dimensional, 3D structure of the physical environment around the vehicle using sensor data, such as LiDAR radar camera. This mapping helps the vehicle identify roads, obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles, enabling safe navigation and route planning. Without it, the autonomous vehicle would be unable to understand its surroundings in real time. Which machine learning technique is most commonly used for automated fraud detection systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is Option D, supervised learning. Automated fraud detection systems use supervised learning because they require historical data where fraud and non-fraud transactions are labeled. This enables the model to learn from these labeled examples to accurately identify suspicious activities in the future. In contrast, other techniques like unsupervised learning are used to find unknown patterns, but supervised learning is more effective for specific classification tasks, such as fraud detection. Which AI model is the most famous for automated image generation in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is Option D, Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. Generative Adversarial Network, GAN, is an AI technique specifically designed to generate new images that appear realistic. It consists of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator working against each other. The generator creates fake images, while the discriminator tries to distinguish them from real ones. Through this competition, GAN can produce highly realistic and high-quality original images, making it extremely popular in art, design, and entertainment industries. What is the primary use of the transformer model in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is Option B, natural language processing and language translation. The transformer model is an advanced neural network architecture originally designed for natural language processing, NLP, tasks. It uses a self-attention mechanism which makes it particularly effective at understanding long-range dependencies in text. It is primarily used for tasks such as machine translation, text generation, and language comprehension. Although its principles are being applied in other fields as well, its core identity and success are linked with NLP. What is the main objective of ethical AI in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is Option B, to ensure fairness, transparency, and protection of human values in the development and use of AI. The primary goal of ethical AI is to ensure that the development and deployment of artificial intelligence systems are conducted responsibly. This includes eliminating bias, respecting data privacy, maintaining transparency, and guaranteeing that AI operates in alignment with human welfare and social values. It focuses on making AI not just technologically advanced, but also human-centered and socially beneficial. What is the main objective of robotic process automation, RPA, in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is Option C, automating repetitive digital tasks and business processes. The primary goal of robotic process automation, RPA, is to automate repetitive, rule-based digital tasks and business processes. It uses software robots that interact with applications through the user interface, just like a human does, making tasks such as data entry, invoice processing, and report generation faster and error-free. It is not related to physical robotics or hardware manufacturing. Which characteristic of deep learning in artificial intelligence, AI, differentiates it from traditional machine learning? Correct option is option D. It can automatically learn hierarchical features. Deep learning uses multi-layer neural networks that can automatically learn complex features and patterns from data. Traditional machine learning requires manual feature engineering, whereas deep learning automates this process. It provides high accuracy on large and complex data sets and is especially effective for unstructured data such as images, audio, and text. In artificial intelligence, AI, what is the primary use of computer vision technology? Correct option is option C, to extract and understand information from digital images or videos. Computer vision is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to see, process, and understand digital images, videos, and other visual inputs. Its primary goal is to mimic human vision so that machines can identify and interpret objects, scenes, or activities. This technology is used in areas such as autonomous vehicles, medical image analysis, facial recognition, and industrial inspection. What is the primary purpose of the data augmentation technique in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, artificially increasing the size of the existing data set. Data augmentation is a technique used to train machine learning models. Its main purpose is to introduce variety into the existing data set and increase its size. New samples are created by making small changes to the original data, such as rotating images, changing colors, or using synonyms in text. This makes the model more robust and reduces the problem of overfitting, as the model gets more diverse examples during training. In artificial intelligence, AI, what does overfitting indicate in the context of machine learning? Correct option is option C, the model memorizing the training data and performing poorly on new data. Overfitting occurs when a machine learning model learns even the small noises or irregularities present in the training data, causing it to perform very well on the training data, but poorly on new, unseen data. This indicates a reduction in the model's generalization ability, and techniques like cross-validation or dropout are used to prevent it. What is the primary objective of natural language processing, NLP, in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, to provide the ability to understand human language and interact with it. Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that aims to enable computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It allows machines to communicate naturally with humans through text or speech. NLP is used in applications such as machine translation, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and virtual assistants. This technology works by understanding the rules and context of language. What type of data is required for supervised learning in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, labeled data. Supervised learning requires labeled data to train the machine. This means that each input data is provided along with its correct output or label. For example, in image recognition, each image is labeled with the object it represents. The machine learns from this data and becomes capable of classifying new data in the future. In artificial intelligence, AI, what is the Turing test designed to measure? Correct option is option A, a machine's ability to exhibit human-like intelligence. The Turing test was conceived by English mathematician Alan Turing in 1950. It is a method to measure the intelligence of a machine. In this test, a human evaluator engages in a text-based conversation with both a machine and a human. If the evaluator consistently cannot distinguish between the machine and the human, the machine is said to have passed the test. It is a famous philosophical and practical criterion for assessing human-like intelligence and reasoning ability of a machine. Which type of model has shown the most progress in recent years in the development of automated language translation systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, transformer architecture. Transformer architecture has made revolutionary progress in automated language translation. This model uses a self-attention mechanism that understands the relationships between all parts of the input sentence. This has made translations more accurate and natural. Google SBERT and OpenAI SGPT models are based on this architecture, which has significantly improved the quality of machine translation. What type of data is most commonly used in the development of speech recognition systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, audio recordings and their transcripts. Speech recognition systems are primarily trained on paired datasets of audio recordings and their accurate transcripts, written text. This data teaches the model to recognize words spoken in various voices, accents, and background noises. Using audio signal processing and machine learning techniques, the system learns patterns to convert sound waves into text. This process requires a large amount of diverse and labeled audio data so that the model becomes accurate and robust. Which type of machine learning technique is most effective in developing automated image recognition systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, convolutional neural networks, CNN. Convolutional neural networks, CNN, are specifically designed for image recognition and processing. This technique automatically learns spatial structures and patterns from images, such as edges, textures, and object shapes. CNN has shown high accuracy on large data sets like ImageNet and is used in facial recognition, medical imaging, and autonomous vehicles. What is the main purpose of sensor fusion technology for self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, to integrate data received from various sensors to create accurate information. The main purpose of sensor fusion technology is to combine data obtained from various sensors like cameras, LiDAR, radar, and GPS to create a more accurate and reliable understanding of the environment. This helps the vehicle make safe decisions such as obstacle detection, distance measurement, and route planning. By overcoming the limitations of individual sensors, this technology enhances the efficiency and safety of self-driving cars. What type of data is most commonly used to train automated chatbots in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, text data. Text data is primarily used to train automated chatbots. This data is derived from human conversations, questions, answers, and various linguistic contexts. Through this data, the chatbot learns to understand language patterns, grammar, and meaning, enabling it to communicate naturally like humans. How does a generative adversarial network, GAN, work in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C. Two neural networks compete against each other to generate new data that resembles real data. GAN consists of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator. The generator creates fake data, while the discriminator tries to distinguish it from real data. Through this competition, the generator gradually learns to produce such accurate fake data that it becomes difficult for the discriminator to tell real and fake apart. This technique is used to create new and original content such as images, music, or text. In artificial intelligence, AI, automated recommendation systems are primarily based on which technology? Correct option is option D. Collaborative filtering and machine learning algorithms. Automated recommendation systems are mainly based on collaborative filtering and machine learning techniques. Collaborative filtering identifies users with similar interests by analyzing users' past behaviors and preferences. Machine learning models learn data patterns to generate personalized suggestions. This technology is effective for recommending movies, products, and content on platforms like Netflix and Amazon. In artificial intelligence, AI, convolutional neural networks, CNN, are primarily designed for processing which type of data? Correct option is option C. Visual data. Convolutional neural networks, CNN, are specially optimized for analyzing visual data such as images and videos. These networks are capable of recognizing patterns, edges, textures, and objects in images, making them ideal for image classification, object detection, and computer vision applications. The structure of CNN includes convolutional layers that extract features while preserving spatial information. What is the primary purpose of the data mining technique in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C. Finding useful patterns and information from large data sets. Data mining is the process of discovering hidden patterns, trends, and relationships in large and complex data sets. It uses statistical analysis and machine learning algorithms to help businesses and researchers make decisions. For example, retail stores can use it to analyze customers' purchasing habits. What is the primary purpose of machine learning for self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D. To develop the ability to make decisions based on road conditions. The main purpose of machine learning in self-driving cars is to enable the vehicle to make independent decisions based on road conditions, traffic signals, pedestrians, and other vehicles. This technology helps the vehicle operate safely in real time through data analysis and pattern recognition. What is the primary objective of natural language generation, NLG, in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B. Generating human-like text from structured data. Natural language generation, NLG, is a branch of artificial intelligence focused on transforming structured data or information into natural, human-like language. It is used in automated reporting, news writing, chatbot responses, and data summarization. NLG systems convert numerical data, facts, or database information into meaningful sentences and paragraphs, enabling computers to communicate with humans more effectively. What is the primary purpose of unsupervised learning in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, discovering hidden patterns or structures in unlabeled data. In unsupervised learning, AI systems are trained without pre-labeled data. This technique focuses on independently identifying naturally occurring patterns, clusters, or structures in the data. It is used for tasks such as grouping, association mining, and dimensionality reduction, where uncovering the internal structure of the data is essential. In artificial intelligence, AI, what is computer vision technology primarily used for? Correct option is option B, to enable computers to understand and analyze visual information. Computer vision is a branch of AI that enables computers to see, understand, and interpret the visual world. This technology extracts information from digital images or videos and analyzes it. It is used in facial recognition, object detection, medical imaging, and autonomous vehicles. Computer vision provides machines with the ability to function like human vision. What type of knowledge are expert systems based on in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, knowledge and rules of human experts. Expert systems are a branch of AI that encode the knowledge and decision-making rules of human experts into computer systems. They are designed to solve problems in specific domains, such as medical diagnosis or engineering issues. These systems use rule-based reasoning and do not learn automatically from data like machine learning. What is the primary objective of natural language understanding, NLU, in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, to understand the meaning and intent of human language. Natural language understanding, NLU, is a branch of artificial intelligence that aims to enable computer systems to comprehend the meaning, context, and purpose of human language. It goes beyond merely recognizing words to understanding sentence structure, emotions, intentions, and contradictions. NLU helps systems like chatbots, virtual assistants, and search engines respond more effectively to human queries. What is the main principle of reinforcement learning in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, learning through rewards and punishments. In reinforcement learning, an agent learns by interacting with the environment. It receives rewards, positive feedback, for performing specific tasks, and punishments, negative feedback, for incorrect actions. In this way, it develops an optimal strategy over time based on this feedback. This method is widely used in areas such as playing games, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. What is the primary purpose of automated data labeling in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, to make data trainable for machine learning models. The main purpose of automated data labeling is to provide labels to unlabeled data so that machine learning models can learn from this data. For example, marking objects in images or categorizing text. This process is essential for supervised learning, where the model learns patterns from labeled examples. It improves data quality, thereby enhancing the accuracy and reliability of AI models. In the context of deep learning technology and artificial intelligence, AI, Which of the following statements is correct? Correct option is option C. It learns complex patterns using multi-layer neural networks. Deep learning is an advanced branch of artificial intelligence that uses multi-layer neural networks. These networks are capable of independently learning complex patterns and features from large amounts of data, such as object recognition in images or language translation. It is a subset of machine learning inspired by the structure of the human brain and provides the ability to make decisions without explicit programming. Which of the following techniques is considered the most effective for automated language translation systems in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option D. Neural machine translation. Neural machine translation, NMT, is currently the most effective technique in the field of automated language translation. It is based on deep learning models that understand the context of entire sentences to provide more accurate and natural translations. NMT systems reduce predicted grammatical errors and demonstrate human-like translation quality, making it the key technology behind modern translation tools like Google Translate. What is the primary purpose of simulated testing for self-driving cars in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option D. To test and improve AI models without real-world risks. The primary purpose of simulated testing is to evaluate the AI systems of self-driving cars in a virtual environment. This method allows for safely repeating hazardous or rare scenarios, refining algorithms, and detecting potential issues before real-world road testing. It reduces data collection costs and helps improve system reliability. Which type of technology is most commonly used for automated image generation in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option D. Generative adversarial networks, GAN. Generative adversarial networks, GAN, are a special type of technology where two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, compete against each other. The generator creates fake images, and the discriminator tries to distinguish them from real images. Through this competition, GANs can produce extremely realistic and high-quality new images, making it the most effective technique in the field of automated image generation. What is the primary purpose of natural language processing, NLP, technology in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A. To provide the ability to understand and generate human language. Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It is used in applications like machine translation, chatbots, sentiment analysis, and voice assistance. NLP focuses on simplifying communication between machines and humans, rather than tasks related to hardware or graphics. Which type of machine learning technique is most commonly used in training automated video game bots in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option C. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a machine learning technique where an agent learns to obtain rewards by interacting with the environment. In video games, AI bots learn through trial and error, where they are rewarded for good actions and penalized for bad ones. This technique enables them to discover game rules, strategies, and optimal actions on their own, allowing them to perform like human players. Which technique is most commonly used for training automated video game bots? such as in Atari games, in artificial intelligence, AI. Correct option is option D, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a machine learning technique where an agent learns by interacting with the environment through rewards and penalties. In video games, AI bots use this technique. They try different actions in the game to increase their score, reward, or avoid losing the game, penalty, thereby learning and optimizing their performance over time. This technique enables them to make decisions independently without prior instructions. In artificial intelligence, AI, which of the following technologies is mainly responsible for 3D mapping of the environment in the operation of self-driving cars? Correct option is option C, LiDAR, light detection and ranging. LiDAR technology uses laser beams to create an accurate 3D map of the environment. It measures the time of light reflection to determine the distance and shape of objects, providing self-driving cars with a clear understanding of surrounding objects such as pedestrians, other vehicles, and road conditions. This helps them make safe decisions and navigate the path. Which of the following techniques is most useful for automated video editing systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, computer vision and machine learning. In automated video editing, computer vision is useful for understanding visual content, such as scene recognition, object tracking, and scene transitions. Machine learning learns from this data to automatically make editing decisions, such as cutting scenes, adding transitions, or applying special effects. This combination enables faster, consistent, and efficient video editing, reducing manual effort and enhancing creativity. What is the primary purpose of radar technology for self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, to detect the distance and speed of objects. Radar technology uses radio waves to accurately detect the distance, speed, and direction of surrounding objects. It provides essential data for safe navigation of self-driving cars, especially in poor weather conditions when other sensors may be affected. It helps avoid collisions with vehicles, pedestrians, and other obstacles. Which of the following technologies is most important for automated robotic surgery systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, computer vision. In automated robotic surgery, computer vision is the most important technology because it creates precise three-dimensional images of the surgical area, identifies anatomical structures, and guides robotic arms in real time. This enables the surgeon to perform complex operations with micro-level precision, reducing the risk of human error and enhancing patient safety. Which of the following techniques is most suitable for automated crop disease detection systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, computer vision. Automated crop disease detection systems are based on computer vision techniques. This technology works to understand and analyze visual information from digital images or videos. Crop images are processed by AI models to accurately identify symptoms of diseases, pests, or nutrient deficiencies. It helps farmers take timely preventive actions, resulting in improved crop yield and quality. What is the primary purpose of the computer vision technology in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, to enable computers to understand and interpret visual data. Computer vision is a branch of AI that aims to provide computer systems with the ability to extract and understand meaningful information from digital images or videos. This technology enables computers to see, recognize, and analyze the visual world much like human vision. Its applications include object recognition, face recognition, medical image analysis, and autonomous vehicles. Which of the following technologies is most useful for automated crop monitoring systems in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option B, computer vision. Computer vision technology is used in crop monitoring to analyze plant health, pest attacks, and crop growth through images and videos. It enables automatic monitoring and analysis of crop conditions by collecting data from drones or satellite imagery, helping farmers make better decisions. Which technique is most commonly used for automated game AI, such as in chess or Go in artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option A, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a machine learning technique where an agent learns to obtain rewards by interacting with the environment. It is ideal for game AI because it allows the AI to develop optimal strategies by repeatedly practicing and learning from the outcomes of its actions. This technique has been used in advanced game systems like AlphaGo and chess engines, where it is capable of defeating human experts. What is the primary function of GPS technology in self-driving cars within artificial intelligence? AI? Correct option is option A, providing precise location information and route guidance for the vehicle. GPS, Global Positioning System, is used in self-driving cars to determine the vehicle's accurate real-time geographic location. It helps in route planning, reaching the destination, and safe navigation. It works through satellite signals and enables the vehicle to know its position, which is a fundamental technology for autonomous driving. Which technique is most commonly used in artificial intelligence, AI, for automated fraud detection systems? Correct option is option D, anomaly detection algorithms. Automated fraud detection systems use anomaly detection algorithms that identify unusual patterns or outliers in the data. This technique is effective in marking suspicious activities in banking and financial transactions, as it detects deviations from normal behavior. These machine learning-based algorithms can also learn from historical data to recognize new fraud patterns. Which technique is most commonly used for automated data analysis in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, machine learning. Machine learning is the primary technique for automated data analysis that uses algorithms to extract patterns, trends, and insights from large data sets. It enables learning from historical data to make predictions, classify data, and solve problems. It is used in business decision-making, scientific research, and technical applications. What type of model has revolutionized the development of automated language translation systems in artificial intelligence, AI, in recent years? Correct option is option C, transformer architecture. The transformer architecture, introduced by Google researchers in 2017, revolutionized language translation and processing. It uses the attention mechanism, which allows the model to focus on different parts of the input data differently. This has led to remarkable improvements in translation quality, speed, and contextual understanding. Modern advanced translation systems, such as the latest versions of Google Translate and DeepL, are based on this architecture. Which technique is most commonly used for automated image classification in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, convolutional, inus, native anus, CNN. Convolutional neural network, CNN, is the most effective technique for image classification. It is designed to identify patterns and features in images, such as edges, colors, and textures. CNN works in layers, where each layer extracts different levels of information. It is used in face recognition, medical image analysis, and object detection. Other options are not primary techniques for image classification. In artificial intelligence, AI, automated recommendation systems, such as those used by Netflix or Amazon, are primarily based on which technology? Correct option is option C, collaborative filtering. Automated recommendation systems mainly operate based on collaborative filtering techniques. This technology identifies groups of users with similar interests based on their past behavior, preferences, and ratings. By analyzing this data, the system can accurately recommend new products or content. This helps enhance the personalized experience and increase user satisfaction. What is the primary purpose of computer vision technology in self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, to recognize and understand road scenes and obstacles. The primary purpose of computer vision technology is to analyze visual data obtained through cameras and sensors. It helps identify roads, traffic signs, pedestrians, vehicles, and other obstacles. Without this technology, autonomous vehicles cannot see the environment and cannot make safe decisions. It acts as the eyes of the AI system. What is the primary purpose of LiDAR technology in self-driving cars within artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option B, to detect the distance and shape of objects using light. LiDAR technology works by sending pulses of laser light. When the light hits an object and reflects back, the distance is calculated based on the time taken. This allows self-driving cars to create a three-dimensional, 3D map of their surroundings, which is crucial for safe navigation. This technology offers greater accuracy than radar. Which technique is most commonly used to improve the decision-making process of self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a machine learning technique where an agent learns by interacting with the environment. In self-driving cars, this technique helps the vehicle make safe and efficient decisions in various situations, such as following traffic rules, avoiding obstacles on the road, and optimizing fuel consumption. It learns through trial and error and improves its performance over time. Which technique is most commonly used for speech recognition in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option A, deep learning neural networks. Deep learning neural networks are the most effective technique in speech recognition. They process audio signals to identify the hidden words and sentences. This technique works with greater accuracy by learning from large amounts of data, which enables it to better understand human voice. Nowadays, It is widely used in applications like virtual assistants and language translation. Which technique is most commonly used for automated music composition in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. Generative Adversarial Network, GAN, is the most suitable technique for automated music composition. GAN can generate new and original musical notes, melodies, and even complete tunes through competition between two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator. It learns patterns from existing music and creates new compositions in the same style. Other options like computer vision are related to images, OCR to text, and spam filtering to emails, which are not relevant for music composition. In artificial intelligence, AI, for what type of tasks is machine learning most suitable? Correct option is option A, recognizing patterns in data and learning from them. Machine learning is a branch of AI that enables computer systems to automatically learn from data and improve from experience. It uses algorithms and statistical models to identify hidden patterns, trends, and relationships in data. It is used for tasks such as image recognition, making predictions, recommendation systems, and natural language processing, not for tasks like hardware repair or network management. What is the primary purpose of sensor fusion technology in self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, integrating data obtained from various sensors to create accurate environmental information. The primary purpose of sensor fusion technology is to combine data received from LiDAR, radar, cameras, and other sensors. This integration provides self-driving cars with a more accurate and reliable understanding of surrounding objects, distances, speed, and paths. It enables vehicles to make safe decisions because no single sensor is entirely reliable under all conditions. Which technology plays the most important role in the development of automated language translation systems in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, natural language processing, NLP. Automated language translation systems are primarily based on natural language processing, NLP, technology. NLP is a branch of computer science and artificial intelligence that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This technology performs text analysis, identification of linguistic structures, and produces accurate translations in another language in machine translation. Modern translation tools like Google Translate use this technology. In artificial intelligence, AI, the structure of a neural network is inspired by which of the following? Correct option is option B, the network of nerve cells in the human brain. The structure of a neural network is directly inspired by the network of nerve cells, neurons, in the human brain. Just as neurons in the brain connect with each other to process information, in AI, neural networks learn data and recognize patterns through layers of artificial neurons. It is a computational model that mimics the biological nervous system. Which technology is most commonly used for developing automated chatbots, like ChatGPT, in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option D, natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, is the primary technology used in the development of automated chatbots. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It assists in text analysis, sentiment recognition, and producing context-based responses. Modern chatbots use NLP along with deep learning models to create more human-like and relevant conversations. What is the primary purpose of the clustering technique in artificial intelligence, AI? Correct option is option C, automatically grouping data with similar features. Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique used to discover underlying patterns in data. Its main purpose is to automatically organize data points with similar characteristics into groups without any predefined labels. It plays a crucial role in tasks such as data analysis, customer segmentation, and pattern recognition. Which technology is primarily used by self-driving cars in artificial intelligence, AI, to operate on roads? Correct option is option C, computer vision and sensor fusion. Self-driving cars use computer vision to safely navigate roads by interpreting visual data through cameras. Sensor fusion integrates information from LiDAR, radar, and other sensors to provide the vehicle with an accurate understanding of its surroundings. This technology enables the vehicle to identify objects, measure distances, and make real-time decisions.